Vision Collision is a premier collision repair shop in Idaho Falls, serving drivers of all makes and models of Asian, European, and domestic cars, trucks, and SUVs. With more than 40 years of experience under our belts, there's no auto body service that we can't handle. Vision Collision's state-of-the-art facility is designed to promote efficiency, meaning our techs quickly and correctly return vehicles to their pre-accident condition. From auto glass replacement, ceramic coatings, and minor ding and scratch repair, to precision paintless dent removal, complex frame straightening, body panel replacement, and color match or custom auto painting, we do it all, and we do it right. As a locally owned and operated business, we're grateful to be a part of the Idaho Falls community. We promise to provide superior customer service that matches our technical abilities. The Vision Collision team is more than happy to work with your insurance company, and we always offer free estimates. The next time you need auto body repair in Idaho Falls or the surrounding community, give Vision Collision a call or visit our website to schedule an appointment.